Hey guys, I'm here today to talk to you about my Dashing Diva nail collection. So I actually got these on the recommendation of a friend who told me that the stick-on nail collection was one of the best that they've ever come across. So I've only gotten my nails done once and that cost me $50 and it absolutely destroyed my nails. So I promised myself I'm never gonna get fake nails again. And then she recommended this to me and I decided, this is not easy. Oh, I don't want to rip it. So I decided to go and get some Magic Press nails from Dashing Diva. Now the really good thing about this is that they come in different colors and then it's really easy to mix and match these. So depending on your mood or depending on your outfit for the week, you can decide which ones you want to go with. I had a couple of apprehensive thoughts about these because I always thought that they would ruin my nails or they'd be really bad quality. But once you actually get to see them in person, it's really great because they have a really matte finish. So once you put them on, they look really professional and they look really nice. I'm not really one to wear a lot of fake nails. I like to be quite natural with my look. But you know, after all this time, like sitting at home, being in isolation and quarantine, it's been a good addition to sort of like make myself feel a little bit more glam, you know? So today I'm gonna try putting on these ones. I was actually really concerned about the nail size. So I don't think I have like the smallest nails. And then when my friend recommended these to me, she told me that even if they don't quite fit, you don't even see the difference because once you put it over the nail, it covers up most of the nail and there's only a slight gap in the side, but you don't see that. As you can see, each color set comes with a heap of different nails. So you can wear the same colors multiple times. And the good thing is that it does say that it lasts for 1 week and that they don't recommend you to go over 1 week. But when I put them on, they lasted up to 2 weeks. And I guess it's because I avoided a lot of water, but I think I just, you know, I treated them really nicely and it turns out that they just stick on really well. The good thing also is that I don't like my nails long. So once you put them on, it's actually really easy just to style them to fit. So you can put them on and then you just get a nail clip and you just cut the ends off to what you like it. You can just file off the sides to make it a little bit more smooth. So what you have to do to start off with is you open this up to get the alcohol prep pad. So it comes with a little manual as well. And it's really easy to do, it's really simple. So to apply it, you just have to get this alcohol prep pad and wipe your nails down. And this just makes sure that your nail bed is nice and clean for the application. And as you can see, like my nails are already pretty short. But what I like about these is that once you put them on, it actually protects your natural nails from ripping. So my nails actually rip really quickly. As soon as they hit the white bit, they start to rip and tear. So this is actually really good, I think, for making your nails, you know, like stronger. It can make them last for a longer period of time. And once you take them off, which is really easy, you just get a bit of nail polish remover and then you get this stick. You get the stick here and you just peel it off from the bottom and then they come off. There's no damage to your nails, which is really good. So let's just line up a couple of colors. I'm gonna put this on my left hand. And as you can see, they've got a little white plastic tab here. So all you have to do is peel it off and then from the plastic tab, that side you stick at the bottom. Super easy. And then you just have to line it up with your nail base and then stick it on. Done. And let's move on to the second one. And you'll see, once you start sticking them on, they stick instantly. They've got a really good adhesive quality and they're like, honestly, such a perfect size for your nails. They don't overstick. They don't make a mess or anything. And the good thing is that this pack in particular comes with 3 different colors. So you got a pink version, a blue version, and this more neutral kind of tone. So you may have seen this brand, Dashing Diva, in some of your local pharmacies as well, which is the same brand as this, but the good thing about this is it comes in a 3-pack, which you may not find in your local pharmacy. So, as you can see, they have like a really beautiful matte finish, and you can cut them to size and style it how you like it. It even comes with a little filing stick, so you can just file that down. And it's honestly a no mess thing. You know, it lasts for 2.5 weeks. It's great value. And if you were to paint your nails, it would chip within like 1 to 2 days. And you have to apply all these like base coats, top coats, and different coats of the actual nail polish itself. So this is why I really like these stick-on nails, because they don't do damage when you take them off, and they last for so much longer. And that's just one of the things that I really like about Dashing Diva. And also it comes with different colors, and you can choose whatever you want with your outfit. So yeah, and it comes with so many different sets, and it's just such an easy application process. It makes life so much more simple. So yeah, that's my thoughts of Dashing Diva stick-on application nails, which I found on OpenShop, which my friend recommended to me. So I'd really recommend that you guys check it out too. Just have a look. Honestly, you're gonna love it just as much as I will.